I'm making Loco Moco, which is an easy to make Hawaiian dish with rice, ground beef and a sauce and an egg. And this dish clocks in at 669 calories, 53 grams of proteins, 62 grams of carbs and 27 grams of fat. Before you start, it's important that you put on 55 grams of rice and start boiling that. And we're going to start off by chopping one shallot, which we're going to use for our sauce later on. Then we're going to measure 20 grams of veal fawn and 8 grams of Worcestershire sauce. To that we're going to add 1 deciliter of water, and that's basically our sauce foundation. All we need to do is add 6 grams of cornstarch. When our pan is hot, we're going to add 5 grams of butter to this, and then we're ready to fry. So we're simply going to take 150 grams of ground beef, it's 12% fat. I also like to add some garlic powder and some onion powder, and of course salt and pepper to mine. We're going to sear that quite hard on both sides. And while we're waiting on that, we're gonna fry 1 egg. I don't use any butter because my pan is very non-stick, so it's not a problem, but if you want to use some more butter, feel free to add it. And we're gonna have some burn bits in the pan. That's fine, that's actually what we want, because we're gonna use that to make our sauce. So we're gonna add our shallots, fry them for a minute or 2. And when the shallots is fried, we're going to simply add our sauce mixture we made earlier. And we're going to use our sauce to deglaze the pan, and all of those bits that stuck to the pan will simply come loose and everything will be much better. To thicken this up, we're going to add our cornstarch. And that's it. Once you've seasoned this and reduced it, you're ready to plate. So, our rice is done, so start off with rice, add your ground beef, then we're gonna add our sauce, and then our egg. And that's it. It's very easy, very tasty, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.